Search engines. Everybody uses search engines. The most popular one in the world is Google. I'm not sure if it's the best search engine, but everyone knows it. Google always works for me. I never use any other search engine. I don't really see any need for anything else. I like Google because it's so simple. I tried Microsoft's Bing search engine, but didn't see anything special about it. A search engine should give you the answer to anything you want. The idea of a search engine is amazing. All of the information in the world can be found in one tiny box. I'm sure my life would be very different without a search engine. There are many things I wouldn't be able to do. I wouldn't be able to do my job or find out lots of information. Search engines. Everybody uses search engines. The most popular one in the world is Google. I'm not sure if it's the best search engine, but everyone knows it. Google always works for me. I never use any other search engine. I don't really see any need for anything else. I like Google because it's so simple. I tried Microsoft's Bing search engine, but didn't see anything special about it. A search engine should give you the answer to anything you want. The idea of a search engine is amazing. All of the information in the world can be found in one tiny box. I'm sure my life would be very different without a search engine. There are many things I wouldn't be able to do. I wouldn't be able to do my job or find out lots of information.